would you do that? It's not sugar. Looting all the chests, looting all the chests. They're apparently all pixels, so I actually don't really care. Let's go. Oh, bandages. Well, so much excitement. I want to get out of this biome. Because I hate the bones and the hard ground. Those freaky sloth polar bear random. Ah, there's one! Yep. Also the fact that you pick up bones every time you hit something. You don't see me. Oh, you actually don't see me. Wait, you're not a Florin? I thought those dudes were all Florins. The birds don't escape. I'm gonna have this biome. The only way is forwards. Oh god! This has not been good. Okay, I'm out. One of you! Smack! Smack! This is not good for me. All my health. Smack. Everything dies. The constant smack. I call it the smackering. Oh, hello, mate. None of you dropped molten cores. Oh, hello. It's another one of you. Smack. 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 Okay, time to go mining. This is going to be the boring bit. So... gotta... Ah! Yeah, it's not that very effective if I don't have that much energy. Smack. Smack. So, probably... Wow, there's so many of you guys. Down into the cave. This is not a cave. I'm disappointed. Ooh, we get to check out what the underground mobs look like. Oh, it's just more of you guys. Smack. Oh look! Some of that. A single... Ah! Who's attacking me? A great big snail. Ow. Why am I nearly got killed by a snail. Hey man, do you mind if I sleep in your house? Apparently not. And back. Healing takes too long in this. Yes! I love those. Don't like you. Ah, great, now I can see, sort of. I need to get so much of this. Also silver, because I combine this with silver to make Durasteel, and then I can make a grappling hook. Yay! And you also notice that I've updated this matter manipulator. Wow, there's a lot of that stuff around. Apparently the inside of this place is exactly like the inside of the other place. It's sort of odd. And like the mobs haven't even gone up in how much damage they do. I wonder if those dudes have. I don't know, they can stay there for now. Meanwhile, check out the range on this thing. There's a snail! You don't see me, snail. I know you're an angry snail, but you can burn! Okay, the going in your shell is actually a clever thing. Well done, you. But it's not going to be very protective against my sword. Smack! Yeah, that's what you get. What do these guys get? Swords. 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 Oh boy, I love those things. Okay, fortunately I still glow, but I don't glow anywhere near as much as I want to, because basically I need to find a lantern on a stick. Lanterns on a stick mean that I just glow just all the time, regardless. Like, I don't need to have these yellow stim packs at all, I just glow. And it's great. Also glow if I'm set on fire. See? See? Knew it would happen. Ow! Please stop. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Oh my gosh, there's so many of you. Why are there so many of you? Okay, I'm just not going up that cave. That is just fields of nope. Let's go on this one. What's in here? Oop, ooh, ooh, well, ow, I mean, I don't know, silver. Good, I need silver. So, and then you can tell the highest level is made by combining the second highest level ore with gold, because it goes up. You combine the first one with iron, and then silver, and then gold. So here, okay, checked that out. Let's go down here. Oh no, my shine potion. It's not called a shine potion. I think you'll find I constantly mix up Terraria with this game. Like, they're different games, but as you can see, they look similar. And because they are similar in that they're a 2D sandbox game, they play out sort of similar to each other. Did I pick up a single piece of copper? No. Okay. Okay, and then if I just keep mining that out, I can get that down to me. Yay! I can't get out of this hole. Okay, look, I'm not even on a gentle world now, and I can still teleport out. It's great. I mean, I approve of that. I mean, I used to actually, if I was super far down, I would actually just kill myself to get out. Because when you die, you respawn on your ship. It's down here. Oh, a little bird! I'm sorry. He had to die. Muns! Diamonds. Oh, there's another one of those dudes. On my way to kill you. Yep. He wishes. Fine, I'll pick up the copper. Let's go down. Further down. To where there's this. You didn't go anywhere. See this? This is not a unique monster. It's just a general monster. Whereas these snail dudes, which are... These are both monsters that are dropping hardened carapaces, and they're unique. That was a sneeze and a half. You guys are lucky to have witnessed such an amazing sneeze. That was... I almost shook my headset off. Is there a dude down here? Whoa, there's a dude up here too. Please don't hurt me! I'm super low in health, and so are you somehow. I don't know how. I haven't actually hit you. Now I have. Thought you dropped 2 bandit hoods for a moment. Please have good stuff in your chest. Wow, so glad I came down here for that. You! Go! Stay in there. Hey, it can't set me on fire if I'm underwater. It can poison me. These things are actually here to spite me. Oh, I picked up water. I can already make bottled water. What am I on about? I'm gonna die from poison. It's how sad a life I lead. Whoa, what's attacking me? You. Go away. Also need another one of these. Yeah. Eat it. Okay, how much titanium have I got? 153? Probably enough, but no. Remember, the point of mining is to never come back again. Because mining is boring. seriously is. Occasionally you do find challenge rooms, though. Oh, that was weird. Limestone. Limestone is new. Hasn't been in the game before. Going down mining through the limestone looking for a cave. But there aren't any caves. Why aren't there any caves? There's a distinct lack of cave here. As said by Cave Johnson. Whoa, ice? That is a new one. Well, ice isn't new, but you don't find ice underground. Even ice planets don't have ice underground. Like, they have ice a little bit underground, but then it's just normal ground. Sudden ice mini biome. Whoa, this is... It's different. Ooh, pineapple. Didn't even give me healing. That was a shame. You had one job, pineapple. Coffee machine. Whoa. Hello, scientist. It's freezing out here. My lab coat isn't very warm. It's probably because you're underground. Also, I'm going to steal your coffee machine. There's a microwave! Microwave is mine now. Sorry, I just like it. New things. Slap. Ooh, there's a glow fiber biome down there. Let's check that out. And look, some of the glow fibers are already broken by some nonsensical thing. Wow, it takes ages to mine stuff out here. Why am I constantly in a state of needing to heal? Oh, these glow fibers are super bad at doing their job. Glowing. Whoa! I have no idea what that is. It's a unique monster, that's for sure, but... Is it only for glow things? Will it drop glow extract? I don't know. It's also interesting that these things tend to drop vials. Slap. Slap. Didn't drop anything. I'm just a bad person. Well, there was absolutely nothing interesting on this planet underground. So... Okay, new armor time. Lone Star. 6. 16. Not worth it. Okay, new armor. So all my things are going to do slightly more damage. And I'm going to have ever so slightly more energy. I don't have an armor junk chest. No, I don't think I have another chest in my inventory. Oh yeah, I found this. Which is a shipping container and it's huge. Also a microwave. Where do I want to put the microwave? Yay! I have a microwave now! And a coffee machine. Can it go on top of the microwave? No. No it can't. Oh, also this. Behemoth. Chest. The armor junk chest. Flip, 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 flip. And that's all that. You know, I kind of thought it would sort it so those are next together, but it's not up to me. Let's upgrade my thing. Although I need 3 of these. Thank you. Upgrade it. Bam. Success. With 4, I can't make 4. Oh, show me my tech. Do I have? I don't have new tech yet. Damn. I think I need to upgrade my ship to get new tech. Yup, can go. There. Oh yeah, apparently there's a place for you. Is that all good? Let's Chuck leftover ore in the leftover ore's chest. And time to go back. To go to new worlds and see new things. Where are we going? There's only one there. 333. Arid forest, mostly almost moderate. Okay, we'll go to another arid place. Okay, we'll tune back in when I find something.